Okay, it's about Monday, April 23rd, 2018. It's literally about to thunder right now, and I hope I don't get a lightning strike for this. This might be like a quick video out of it. I'm gonna start up my Ruud unit. Got a really terrible day. So, this time I'm not even gonna set, oh, the neighbor's air conditioner shut off. And I'm gonna start this one up. But I'm not gonna put it on a fan grill, I'm just gonna put it on a disconnect. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm not gonna do a shutdown, but I got it for you guys. This one I got inspired from Andrew Beatish that he start up his Guardian while thunderstorm. Well, the Guardian's from 2007. It's a 410. But yeah, anyways, over and out.